MJ's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna make for you some garlic Brussels sprouts, and these are my ingredients here. This is my Brussels sprout. Garlic and some sweet pepper, and I'm gonna blanch my Brussels sprout. I'm gonna add some salt into the water. I'm gonna blanch. I'm gonna put a few pegs of garlic for flavor. While you're watching this video, please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. Help out your girls, MJ. Okay. Blanch these. Okay, we're gonna drain these now. Don't want them to cook too much. Yes, we drain, and gonna dry them out a bit because we're gonna pan fry them. So we just turn them over and let them drain. Gonna make some, just brown these garlic over it. Not too much oil. Okay, we're gonna brown up with garlic. I'll be right back. Okay, in that same pan, we're gonna brown up our Brussels sprouts. Just want to get a little color on the cut side. Need a little more color. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and brown up and come right back. Okay guys, you see I don't fry it with a lot of oil. I just a little bit of oil, grease the bottom of the pan, and we're done. Okay, I'm gonna plate and come right back. Okay guys, here we go. Look at that. Yummy. can eat it like that, or you can put bacon on it. You can eat it with chicken, whatever you want. Subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. And thanks for coming to my home. God bless you. Take care. Bye.